welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a recent subscriber, welcome back home. And if you're new to this channel, Madidimalo, and you are welcome. I'm super excited, but first things first, I want to appreciate you guys for always giving me the best support ever. I don't know how many times should I say I thank you, but then it seems like it's not even enough. But I truly, from the bottom of my heart, I truly appreciate you. I see you that you're sharing, I see you that you're waiting out my channel, you know, everything's just perfect. And I really want to say thank you so much for the subscribers that I have reached. I could have been somewhere else if it wasn't of you, but today it is because of you I'm here where I am today. Okay, so I don't know if I should get straight to the point, but I have actually achieved so many goals for myself. As you have seen the previous video, I guess you have already seen it. Yeah, I have a new baby here. Only because of my hard work. Actually, I have worked so hard. I have scored myself so many opportunities. You know, everything has been so great for me in the month of December. Everything just came together after so many years of me falling apart and everything. But then ever since January has started, you know, everything's just so great. My shoulders are uplifted because there are so many things that were on my shoulders that I couldn't take off. But then with God, look at me now. Look at me now. But then yeah, I really want to thank myself. Most importantly, I want to thank myself for the hard work that I've put for myself. I want to appreciate myself for every moment where I was broken, but then I still stood up. It wasn't only because of me, but then it was because of God. God gave me the strength to carry on. Each and every time when I needed to give up, God was there to tell me that, my son, listen, you are not gonna end here. Get out, get up, dust yourself, carry on. And I really want to appreciate that part also. And without me rambling more about those, okay, thank you very much for liking this video. Thank you for commenting down below, and thank you most importantly subscribing to this channel and sharing it. Okay, so the great as you know, I think I've mentioned it in one of my videos, I don't know which video, but then as you know, I've been using this smaller, I don't know if you see it, this smaller ring light. The ring light that my little brother broke. This ring light, my little brother broke it, but it was months back. So I decided today to get myself something bigger. So yeah, I'm so excited because I have the bigger package. So I think my little brother is not supposed to be using this one. Okay, so I think I'm gonna open it. Let's see. Okay, this is the ring light, and then this is the stand. Here's the stand. Oh my gosh, here's the stand. This is the bigger one. Okay, the one that is broke was this size. It was actually small. It was for, you know, selfies and all that. So TikTok, here we go. I'm joking, but then please don't follow me on TikTok, because TikTok, that's one platform where I become myself. Hey, that's one platform where you can see Ubuti Maradidi. Wait, now the person who's so quiet, the person who's forever laughing, you are doing these things. We thought you were just that uptight girl. Guys, I'm not uptight. I actually dance. I actually like singing, and singing is my hobby. Singing is part of my talent, and people don't see that. I am jealous. Okay, so I think let's start with this. And oh my gosh, I don't break it. Okay, so I don't know how long this is, because I'm not breaking it into zamias. This is still in me. Okay, so it can let me move backwards actually. Okay, so you can okay, this is how long it is. I don't know how. Okay, this is how long it is, of which it's a bit longer. It is a bit longer. It is a bit longer. I think this is how we open it from here. This is how we open it from here, and I think it's gonna be standing like this. Okay, it's gonna be standing like this from these portions. It's already, I thought I was gonna be doing a lot, but actually I'm not doing a lot, so it's gonna be like that. Okay, I just hope it's okay. I think this one is to adjust how loose and not loose to you know those guys, you do know those things. You are content creators also yourself. So I'm gonna take out the Ringlight. It has this bonnet. This bolt thingy. I think it's for what? For yeah, mixing, yeah, I believe so. And then I have this, which is for my phone, and then I have this, which I know that this goes here. You all know that, right? Does it go here? Guys, I'm lying. Where does it go? Okay, guys, okay, so I have the light itself. It's actually bigger than the one that I'm using. I was gonna take it, but then there is load shedding. I'm only depending on the real light, so I was gonna actually show you, but it is what it is. Okay, let me try to show you with my new baby. Okay, so this is iPhone 13. It's super nice. I got this pouch also. So the day that okay, let me show you how this is. Okay, let me show you from this angle. Behind the scenes. Okay, behind the scenes. we are done, but last but not least, I got this for free. Actually, that guy gave this. I actually got this for free, so I'm gonna be changing my pouch soon to this color. Okay, let's change it now, because you'll be looking at me like, I got to everything. You'll be looking at me like, joking, guys, just playing. So this is blue. Actually, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but this is actually blue. Hey, this is blue. I won't lie, it's blue. So this is the new pouch that I got. I don't know, yeah, it looks so nice for me. It's actually nice. Military. So yeah, I got that also. So I got a lot of things. I was drinking, saving this. This is actually my absolutely fave. Oh, guys, yeah. This is my fave drink right now. Actually, today I was mentioning. I'm having my proper time here. Okay, so I'm gonna give you the last parking. What's this? Okay, I have this. I have never used it ever since YouTube gave it to me. So I'm gonna show you what I got. It's actually open, but I've never used it. I opened it just to see. Okay, this is where you have to put your mic. Where you have to put your mic. I don't know, guys. You'll see when I have to, if I have to do it. So this is the mic also. So this is the mic. You see? And I think this is that one hauwei. Ooh, also this. Is it a stand? Yeah, this is the stand. See? Okay, and then what's happening here? This is a mic. This goes. Okay. This one goes here. And then where does the mic go? I'll actually see instructions here. Okay, the mic goes in here. from here. Yo guys, I have also this.